I already been over the weight distribution on trains tends to make it so that they, want to be on their wheels, so when they sink in the water, that's what they do. But yeah, they're sitting upright, and they're in fine condition. The vendors seem to have, made out better than the engines themselves. The engines are kind of rough around the edges. Of course, they were in an explosion, so I think based on that, they're not in that kind of shape. The real question now is, well, what's the deal with the site? What's going on? Are we going to bring these engines up? Well, I'll get to that in a second. But the site itself is under some controversy. For one thing, some people consider sites like this grave sites because people died here. I mean, this was a war, and while most of the crew got out, not everyone did, like I said. So the whole recreational diving element, I mean, I understand it, but the problem is a lot of these tourist ships have moored to the Thistledown. Like, it's shallow enough where they can do that, but every time they do it, it's causing the wreck to deteriorate more, and it's almost like, tying off a horse to someone's gravestone or something. Like, it's just like one of those things where it's like, is this alright? I don't know. I'll let you guys decide the comments on that. But the cargo inside is probably too deep in the ship to get out effectively, so I mean, maybe this is that. Yeah, the sailor's rest, in my opinion. But as for trains themselves, you're probably wondering whether or not the ship gets brought up to deck. And I suppose technically, but they're not great ships, which are number. The other issue is that these are AFs. AFs are in no way a train that has gone without preservation. In fact, 14 were kept into preservation to various degrees. Some are even still running. So the problem here is which is unfortunate for them, but at the end of the day, maybe it's best to let sleeping trains lie in this case. That's kind of where I'm at with it. Feel free to, disagree in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on this topic. I do think the wreck of the Thistledown is certainly an interesting example of what can happen when certain ships go down. And, I'm glad I was able to talk about it. Down a little bit more and discuss things that I'm also interested in, like planes and ships and things like that. So, yeah. Till next time, this is Darkness, and I bid you all a fond farewell.